Hello students, I hope you all have completed last week's revision sheet, revision number 1 which I gave of chapter 1 to 4. I hope you all have completed it. See student, today I am starting with a new chapter which is fraction, equivalent fraction. Okay, so what is fraction children? See, there is in your textbook. Let us learn little bit more about it. See, fraction means this is a whole chapati. You can see whole means complete. When you divide it, it becomes a fraction. Okay, so एक चपाती है, ये whole है, we call it whole. And when we divide it, see, divided into two parts. If one bhakri is divided equally between two people, each one will get half a bhakri. The fraction half is written as 1 upon 2. This is known as half. Here 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Okay children? See, 1 is the numerator. This 1 is a numerator and 2 is the डिनोमिनेटर. जो ऊपर होता है वो न्यूमरेटर होता है, जो नीचे होता है वो डिनोमिनेटर होता है. ओके, वन भाकरी वॉज डिवाइडेड इंटू 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. नाउ द सेम भाकरी, सी दिस इज अ होल भाकरी, होल मीन्स कंप्लीट, फुल भाकरी is now divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of the parts were given away. This is shown as 2 upon 4. One bhakri was divided into 4 parts. 2 of the parts were given away. So 2 parts were given away. This is shown as 2 upon 4. Here 2 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Okay. This 2 means that half bhakri was given. In this also half bhakri was given. But it was divided into 4 parts. Okay. 4 equal parts. Now let's see. 6 equal parts made of one melon. Okay, there is this watermelon, big watermelon, whole watermelon. When it is not divided, when it is not cut, it is called as whole. They were shared equally by 2 people. Okay, it means that the part that each one got was 3 upon 6. Okay, so there was this whole watermelon, उसको 6 parts में divide किया और कितने जनों को दिया? 2 लोगों को दिया. अगर 6 parts में divide किया और अगर 2 जनों को दिया तो एक को कितने parts मिले? 3 मिले ना. 6 parts थे, total there were 6 parts हुए. अभी एक बच्चे को 3 दिया और बाकी को 3 दिया. Okay, so each one actually got half the melon. There was one watermelon which was divided into 3 parts, cut into 3 parts. First person got 3 watermelons, 3 parts of the watermelon, and the other person got 3 parts of the watermelon. It means that we have divided the watermelon into equal parts. Okay, thus 3 upon 6 also shown the fraction of fraction 1 and half. Okay, so these were the examples of half. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6 are the example fractions of half. Now see, it means that value of all 3 fractions is same. क्योंकि लोग कितने थे? There were 2 people only. We made 2 parts, 4 parts, 6 parts, but gave to 2 people only. So it was half. Okay. Equivalent fraction. These are equivalent fraction. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6. See, 1 into such fractions of equal value are called equivalent fraction. Now let us see some other. Look at the colored parts of the two equal circles shown alongside. One circle is divided into three equal parts and the two of them are colored. That is, the colored part is 2/3 of the circle. The other circle of the same size is divided into 6 equal parts and 4 of them are colored. यहाँ 3 parts में किया है, यहाँ 6 parts में किया है. Okay children? So the colored part, the other size of the other circle of the same size is divided into 6 equal parts and 4 of them they have colored. That is 4/6 of the whole circle is colored. Means, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts है. How many parts they have colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write 4/6. Whole कितना है? Whole is 6. But colored parts कितने हैं? 4. Here what you will write? How many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many parts they have colored? 2. The other circle of the same size is divided into 6 equal parts and 4 of them are colored. That is 4/6 of the whole circle is colored. However, we see that the colored parts of two circles are equal. Therefore, 2/3 and 4/6. See, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So, they are equal. Thus, 2/3 and 4/6 are equivalent fraction. Okay, children? So, the number which is written up, it is a numerator. The number which we write down, it is a denominator. Obtaining equivalent fraction. Two of the equal parts in the figure are colored. The colored part is 2/5. See, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many parts they have colored? 1, 2. So 2/5 of the whole figure. Whole figure is 5 and the colored part is 2. Similarly, when two lines are drawn across the same figure, it gets divided into 15 equal parts. So now the fraction showed the colored part is 6/15. How, children? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is the whole part. Okay, so it is 15. Now let us check the colored part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6/15. However, the colored part has not changed. Colored part नहीं change हुआ है, same है, पर उसको divide ज़्यादा कर दिया है. There has not changed. Therefore, we see 2/5 is equal to 6/15. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. सेम चीज को ज्यादा पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया है. ओके, सो दिस आर फ्यू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ equivalent fraction. Now let us learn little bit about numerator and denominator. One thing I want to tell you children, see, do you see any special connection between numerator and denominator of the fraction 2 and 5 and 6 and 15? Do you see any connection? 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 5 is 15. Here you have seen, no? क्या connection है? Now let us see how it is. Okay? Page number 22. There are few rules we have to follow. So let us check. See. Is there any connection? टू अपॉन 5 है. See children, 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. Okay, so there is a connection. They are equivalent fraction. Okay, we have also seen 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4. How it is children? 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4. कैसे same है ये? Let us see. 1 upon 2 2 2s are 4. अभी आप whatever number you will write here, you will multiply with the same number here. So 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So children, they all are connected, and we have also seen that 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4, 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 6, 2 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 6 are all equivalent fraction. The numerator of one fraction is as many times as the numerator of the other, as the denominator of one is of the denominator of the other. See how children, this one we have solved. Okay, we already got the answer. Now let us check the other one. 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 6. How you will get this? Now let us see. Two ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So 2 threes are 6, and here it is 1 threes are 3. Right children? So we got this answer. Now 2 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 6. How we will get equivalent fraction? Let us see. 3 twos are 6 and 2 twos are 4. Okay? Acha, one more thing. You will see few sums in your textbook. When we will solve the exercise, you will come to know. Okay? Let me tell you here, in this case. Here, if you are talking about this answer and this sum, see this sum, I am talking about this sum. 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 6. When this is small and this is big, okay, equal to करके यहाँ जो big होगा, what you will do? You will always multiply. Right children? 2 का table you will do and you will get the answer. Okay, but here in this one you see children, for example 6 upon 15 is equal to 2 upon 5. Now see, here the answer is big and here the answer is small. On the left side, when you have a bigger number, and on the right side if you have a smaller number, what you will do children? See, it is simple. You will divide, because this number is small. 15, if you divide by 3, you will get 5. Right children? Similarly, if you divide 6 divide by 3, you will get answer 2. right children? So if the numerator and denominator have a common divisor, then the fraction we will get dividing them by the divisor is equivalent to given fraction. Okay, so we must always see, find the fraction with denominator 30 which is equivalent to 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 है, for example 5 upon 6 है, is equal to this. I will solve the entire exercise, don't worry, just I want you all to understand कैसे मिलेगा इसका आंसर. Now this is 30. okay, so let us see. 5 upon 6, you have to multiply because right side your numbers are big, so you will multiply. This is an example sum on page number 22. So 5 this is 30. So 6, you tell 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are, no, you will not get here. So 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. So 6 fives are 30. Whatever number you get here, same number you will multiply up. So 5 fives are 25. Understood? Now on this page you see here the sum is different. On page number 23 it is different. Example 2. This is example 1. This is example 2. What is the question here? 15 upon 40 is equal to 8. See children, now this side the number is big. If the number is big on the right side, then you have to multiply. But if the number is big at left side, you have to divide. So let us start. What answer you require? Here it is 8 and here it is, you have to search. 8 के टेबल में 40 कितने बार जाता है? Let us start 8 table. 8 when you divide, or you can directly divide. If you are not very confident, just divide. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40, right children? So it is 8. When you divide 40 by 5, you get 8. Same you will divide by 5 up also. And see, I am doing it for you. I hope it is clear. 5 threes are 15. So you have to check, children, that which sum is correct. Okay? I will start with the exercise problem set 17 in the next video. Hello students, I hope you have saw the explanation part, and I'm starting with problem set 17 on page, which is on page number 23 in your textbook. So kindly write all the questions in your maths long book and let us begin. Okay, so the first sum, 1 upon 2. Children, see 1 upon 2. What I told you, you have to see where the number is big. Here the number is big on the right side. So what you have to do, multiply or division. See, if the number is big on the right hand side, right side, then what you will do children, 1 upon 2. See, 1 upon 2 you will write equal to 20, and let us start. This is multiplication. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, and 2 10s are 20. So 2 multiplied by 10 is 20, and 1 10s are 10. So this is your answer. Okay children, 3 upon 4, and here they have given 15 the numerator as the answer. So what you will do children, 3 upon 4, see which side is the numerator greater, which side the number is greater children, on the right side. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Okay, and then same you will multiply, 4 5s are 20. Whatever number, this two will be same. Okay, they are not different, they are going to be same. So 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. So the answer is 20. Now let us see the third sum, 9 upon 11. So what you will do children, you will write 9 upon 11. Now see, this number is small or big? Which side the number is big? On the right side. So what you will do, multiply. Whenever the number is bigger on the right side, so it is multiplication, because you have to search the answer here. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Same you will multiply with the same number. 11 2s are 22. Right children? Easy? Now let us solve the fourth sum. Now see, 10 upon 40 is equal to, now which side the number is big children? On the left side. So when the number is bigger on the left side, it is going to be division. Right children? So when you divide, you will divide with which number? 8. 8. See. 8 1s are 8. You will be saying why I am dividing with 8. Or you can tell 8 table. Chalo, let's start telling 8. Whenever you have this type of a sum, you can tell the table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, and 8 5s are 40. Why I told you to tell the table? See children, it is simple. See, you are writing 40. When you divide by 5, 5 8s are 40. Right children? और you can do the same thing. 40 है अपने पास, 8 है तो 8 से कर दिया, 8 5s are 40. Whichever way you can go. So I prefer, if you are not sure, you just tell the table. You all must be knowing the table of 8. So just tell the table of 8 in your mind. You will come to know 8 5s are, it is 40. Now same number, when you divide 5 by 5, what you will get? Answer is 2. Right children? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So you will get the answer 10. This is just I'm explaining. It is very easy. You can do directly how I'm going to do the other sums. See, 14 upon 26. Now again division. Why again it is division? Because this number is small and the number on the left hand side is big. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. So when you divide 26 by 2, you will get the answer 13. Now when you divide 2 by 14, what you will get answer? 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Or you can say 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. So whichever way you want. Now this sum. Which side is the number, children? The other side. So let us see. Here you will multiply. See, the right side numbers are big. So 3 twos are 6. Okay? And when you multiply with what you will get 4. 3 twos are 6. 2 twos are 4. Right, children? Now, question number 7, okay? 1 upon 4 and 4 upon 20. Let us see. Same. Right side number is big and left side number is small. So, you will, but the box is on the left side. But see, here the answer is already given. Here one answer is 1. So 1 4s are 4. Now we already know we have multiplied it with 4. So here also it will be 4. Here we want the answer 20. Let us say 4's table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Right, children? This sum, same. Right side the numbers are greater than the left side. So, answer is already given. Here we don't know what is the number. Let us say 5's table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Right, children? Now here also 5. In 5's table, how many times if you do 5, 10 will come? 2 times. 2 5s are 10. Okay? Ahead with question number 2. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following fraction. Okay, so let us start. 1 upon 2. आंसर क्या चाहिए? इक्विवेलेंट. डिनोमिनेटर इक्विवेलेंट 18. व्हाट वी वांट? 18. आंसर 18 होना चाहिए. 2 9s are 18, 1 9s are 9. Whatever you do, you have to solve all the sums, but the denominator will be 18. This is the first number, okay? Now the second number. What is the second number? 2 upon 3. What we want? Answer to be 18. 3 6 are 18. 2 6 are 12. Right, children? Now let us see the third one. 4 upon 6. Here also 18. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 4 threes are 12. Right, children? 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Now let us see the fourth number. Which is the fourth number? So we already solved this one. 2 upon 9, 18. This is already given. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. And same you will multiply with 2 twos are 4. Okay? So this is also done. Now, seven upon 9 and 5 upon 3. Okay. 7 upon 9. Let me write the questions first. And 5 upon 3. Here we want denominator to be 18. Denominator to be 18. 9 twos are 18. Okay. 7 twos are 14. 3 6 are 18. Right, children? 5 6 are, what is 5 6 are? 30. Right? So this is known as find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18. Denominator they have already given. We have to solve it. So you are going to solve in this pattern. Now let us go to question number 3. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 5 for each of the following fraction. Same. Now what is the denominator? 5. So let us first write all the questions. Okay, children, here now just see carefully. Okay, here 5 is given. 5 is already given as a denominator in the answer. Now which side the number is big? On the left side. So what it will be, children? Multiplication or division? If you multiply anything with 15, you will get 5? No. So you have to divide. Right, children? So 15 divided by 3, you will get 5. And same you will divide by 3. So you will get answer 2. 2 upon 5. Now here also all division, because here we want answer to be 5. Now 25 is given. So what you will do? You will tell 5 is stable. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So the answer is going to be 5. And here also 5. So what it will be? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 5 twos are 10, no? Now here also. Children, just watch carefully. Now we have 30. And the answer should be 5. Again tell 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. So the answer will be 30. And when you divide here, what you will get? 2. See, children. All the answers are similar. When you divide by 12 by 2, you will get about 12 by 6, you will get answer 2 upon 5 only. See, 2 only you will get. Now here, 10 divide by 2. No? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. When you divide 10 by 2, you will get the answer 5. Now similarly, when you will divide by 2, what you will get answer? 3. Right? And here just see. 5 sevens are. No? When you divide 5, if you tell 5 table, it will come 7 times. 5 sevens are 35. Or when you divide 35 by 7, you will get the answer 5. Now here sevens. What is the answer? 3. See children, I am stopping here only. It is too much for you to understand in one class. Please watch the explanation part and solve the sums till here only. Okay? I have done till here. In next class, I will continue with question number 4 and 5 and we'll start with problem set 18. Okay? This chapter is a difficult chapter. Difficult in the sense there are few things you have to remember. It is not simple addition, subtraction, multiplication. This you have to remember the rules and when you have to multiply, when you have to divide. Okay? So I want you to practice all the sums. Don't just copy. Please solve the sums. Try and understand. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.